Hello, in this video I will show you a little program written in Python about the conversion between numbers and Roman numbers. It is for the shell, so for the terminal of Windows or Linux, and you have to select the level. Basic is 1 to 10, easy 10 to 100. I select very difficult. Okay, I have to convert this. So okay, you have 10 tests and the score is updated every time. Okay, now I do a mistake and the score is updated, and you can write the Roman numbers lowercase or uppercase, is indifferent. Okay. Okay. In the description of the video I've written the link of onlinegdb.com, and you can run this program in the browser, and you don't need to install anything. So it is the same thing. Okay, and I will put in the description also the link to GitHub. Many greetings, thanks for watching my video.